If I wanted to make $100,000 before 2027, I wouldn't waste a single second on dropshipping, crypto trading, or building some complicated affiliate system. I would do exactly what I'm about to show you in this video. And before you think this is some unrealistic guru nonsense, let me be clear. I've made thousands of dollars per day in profit with my business in my early 20s using this exact model. So none of this is theory. This is what actually works. And if you execute what I'm about to break down, 100K before 2027 isn't just possible, it's honestly pretty achievable. But anyway, feel free to ignore my advice if you want to stay broke. Here's the reality most people don't want to hear. You're not going to make $100,000 scrolling through videos looking for shortcuts. You're not going to make it waiting until you feel ready or until conditions are perfect. You make it by picking one proven model and going all in until it works. And the model I'm about to show you is the fastest, most accessible path for someone starting from zero. The model is simple. High-ticket information, consulting or service business. You're selling knowledge, transformations, and results to clients who pay you $1,000 to $10,000 or even more per client. We're not talking about $10 products or small affiliate commissions. We're talking about real money for real transformations. You help people fix painful problems. And here's why it's the best business model for hitting 100K fast. The math is stupidly simple. You need 10 clients at $10,000, or 20 clients at $5,000, or 50 clients at $2,000. Pick your numbers. But the point is, you don't need hundreds of customers per month, thousands per year. You need a handful of committed clients who get real results. If you want to discover how I've made thousands of dollars a day online, I've made a free training that will show you everything step by step. The link will be in the description. And for a limited time, you can also apply to book a free call with me or a member of my team. On that call, we'll see what's blocking you from making more money, and we'll give you a custom step-by-step plan so you can start your business today, even with $0 in startup capital, and get your first customers as quickly as possible. The link is in the description, but be quick because we have very limited spots and they fill up fast. Now, I already know what you're thinking. But I don't have an audience, I don't have money to invest, I don't have previous experience, I'm not an expert in anything. Good, because none of that actually matters when you get started. I had none of those things when I got started. None of my successful clients did, in fact. Let me show you why my way of doing business crushes every excuse you just made. First, you don't need an audience to start. Everyone thinks they need 10,000 followers before they can make money. That's not true. I don't have 10,000 followers anyway. You make money first. Then, the audience comes as a byproduct of you being visible and creating content. Your first few clients, they don't come from going viral. They come from having conversations with them. They come from reaching out to potential customers online. They come from posting valuable content consistently every week or every day, even when nobody's watching. You need 10 to 20 people to see your offer and resonate with it. That's it. You don't need a million views. You need the right views. Second, you don't need money to start this. You're not buying inventory. You're not paying for ads up front. You're not investing in expensive software or tools. You can start this business with a phone and a Wi-Fi connection. You can book calls on Calendly, which is free. Deliver your service over Zoom, which you can have the free plan. You take payments through PayPal, which I don't recommend, mainly Stripe, and it costs nothing to set up. They take a small fee, but that's only after you get paid. Your only investment is your time and your effort. That's the beauty of this model. It's the ultimate low barrier to entry business. Third, you don't need to be an expert or have previous experience. You just need to be a few steps ahead of the people you're helping. If you've solved a problem that someone else is struggling with right now, you can help them. That's your expertise. You don't need a PhD. You don't need 10 years in an industry. You need results you can point to and the ability to help someone else get similar results. But here's where it gets even better. Even if you genuinely don't have a skill yet, you can learn one, or you can leverage other people's skills and knowledge. So let me break down the 2 ways to do this that most people never even think about. Option 1, you sell done-for-you services. You sell the service to the client and you hire freelancers to actually deliver it. Let's say you help local businesses get more customers through social media content. That's what you sell. You don't need to be the best video editor or content strategist in the world. You just need to understand what works currently, sell it to the client for $3,000 a month, then hire a freelancer on Upwork or Fiverr for $800 a month to do the actual work. Your job is to manage the client relationship, ensure quality, and you handle strategy. The freelancer handles execution. You pocket the difference, and you don't spend any money out of pocket before you get a client. That's $2,200 profit per client just for being the middleman. Scale that to 5 clients, and you're making $11,000 a month. That's $132,000 a year. You just hit your goal without being an expert. Option 2, partner with an expert and handle the selling. Find someone who's great at what they do, but terrible at marketing and sales, like a fitness coach, a mindset expert, a relationship consultant. You become their sales and marketing arm. You create the content for them, they just record it if they want to be the face of the brand. You book calls, you close deals, they deliver the service. You split the revenue 50-50 or whatever terms you agree on. So if you're closing 5 clients a month at $3,000 each, that's $15,000 in revenue. You take half, that's $7,500 a month. That's $90,000 a year. You're almost at your goal. We're just $10,000 shy, but you didn't need to be the expert. You just needed to be good at attracting clients and closing deals, good at marketing and sales. Most people never think about these ways of selling services or consulting because they're too busy trying to become the world's leading expert before they make their first dollar. Most experts are broke because they don't know how to sell themselves. So that's the wrong approach. You can build leverage immediately by using other people's time, other people's expertise, other people's skills. You're the strategist, the rainmaker. You're the one who brings in the clients. That's a skill in itself, and it's incredibly valuable. Now let's talk about how you actually execute this from zero. Step 1 is you pick your niche and your offer. What problem are you solving and for who? Be specific. The more specific you are, the easier everything else becomes. Don't say, I help people with business. Say, I help real estate agents book more qualified appointments every month using short-form video content. Can you see the difference? One is vague and forgettable. The other is clear and targeted. Step 2 is you create an offer that's results-focused. You're not selling your time, you're selling an outcome. So instead of saying, I'll manage your social media for $500 a month, you'll say, I'll get you 20 qualified leads in the next 30 days or you don't pay. That's a results-focused offer. That is what makes high-ticket pricing possible. People don't pay for your effort. They don't care. They pay for outcomes, the results they want to get. Getting in shape, making more money, finding love, etc. Step 3 is you start creating content immediately. You don't need to wait until you have everything figured out. You start posting about the problem you solve. You share tips, insights, your journey. Even if nobody's watching at first, you're building your messaging. When you reach out to potential customers, they will look at your stuff. You're getting the reps in. You're learning what resonates. Post on Instagram, TikTok, LinkedIn, YouTube Shorts, wherever your target audience hangs out. I suggest you only post on one platform as a beginner. Don't overwhelm yourself trying to be everywhere. You don't need it. Post one piece of content per week minimum, ideally one per day. It doesn't have to be perfect, you just need to be consistent. If you want to discover how I've made thousands of dollars a day online, I've made a free training that will show you everything step by step. The link will be in the description. And for a limited time, you can also apply to book a free call with me or a member of my team. On that call, we'll see what's blocking you from making more money, and we'll give you a custom step-by-step plan so you can start your business today, even with $0 in startup capital, and get your first customers as quickly as possible. The link is in the description, but be quick because we have very limited spots and they fill up fast. Step 4 is you reach out directly to potential clients. Stop waiting for people to come to you. Go to them, nobody knows you. Send DMs to people who fit your ideal client profile. Comment on their posts. Start genuine conversations. Don't be salesy and weird. Just build relationships, and when the timing's right, mention what you do. A huge portion of my first clients came from direct outreach. I wasn't sitting around waiting for my content to go viral. I was actively finding people who needed help and offering it. Step 5 is you book calls and close deals. Get people on the phone, understand their problems, show them the path to solving it, make a clear offer. If it's a fit, great. If it's not, no worries, but you need to get comfortable with sales calls because that's where the money is made in high ticket. You're not selling through a website like on a sales page directly, you're selling through conversations, talking to people, because that's what people need before they spend thousands of dollars. Step 6 is you deliver incredible results and get testimonials. Your first few clients are your foundation. Over-deliver for them. Give them so much of your time. Do whatever it takes to help them. Get them amazing results. Then get video testimonials and case studies. This social proof becomes your marketing material for the next wave of customers. One good testimonial is worth more than 100 pieces of content when it comes to closing deals. Step 7 is you rinse and repeat. More content, more outreach, more calls, run some ads, get more customers. As you start making money, you reinvest some of it into making the process easier. Maybe you hire someone to edit your content. Maybe you run some ads to warmed up audiences. Maybe you bring on a virtual assistant to handle admin work. You're building systems and leverage, so you're not stuck trading time for money forever. Growing up in the low middle class taught me something critical about wealth. The rich don't work for money. Money works for them. We all have the same 24 hours. Nobody's working 100 hours a day. It's physically impossible. You can grind yourself into dust and you'll hit a ceiling because there's only one you. The smart thing to do is to get leverage. It's building systems where money comes in, whether you're working or not. It's using other people's skills through done-for-you services or partnerships. If you're not the expert, you don't have to be. It's creating offers that solve expensive problems, painful problems, so you can charge appropriately. When you're starting out, yeah, you'll probably trade some of your time for money. You'll handle everything yourself. It's normal. That's the foundation phase. But we're not going to stay there. You're doing it with the explicit goal of building a system that doesn't require you to be in every single detail forever. You're learning the skills, proving people want your offer, stacking capital so you can start delegating, running ads, and automating, removing yourself from the day-to-day operations. Most people stay trapped, trading time for money their entire lives because they never build a bridge to the other side. Don't be like most people. Here's the thing that separates people who hit 100K before 2027 from people who are still thinking about it in 2030. Action. The difference is just taking action before you feel ready, because you're never going to feel ready. Your first offer is not going to be perfect. Your first client relationship might be messy. Your first piece of content will probably suck. So what? You improve by doing, not by planning. Every successful person you admire started exactly where you are right now. 0 followers, 0 clients, 0 credibility. They just started anyway and figured it out along the way. So here's my challenge to you. Pick your niche this week. Decide what problem you're solving and for who. Create your offer. Make it specific and results focused. Start posting content daily. Even if it's just one short video or one post, just start. Reach out to 10 people a day who could be potential clients. Start conversations. See if you can hold them. Book your first sales call. Even if you're terrified, just do it. You learn by doing. The first time I ever had a sales call, my heart was beating so fast in my chest. I genuinely believed I was gonna have a heart attack. I had never felt like this before. And now I've done hundreds of them. So you can overcome anything. I'm literally living proof of it. If you execute on all the things we talked about in this video, $100,000 before 2027 isn't some far-fetched dream. It's actually a realistic goal. We're at the start of the year. You need 10 clients at 10K each, or 20 clients at 5K. The numbers aren't crazy. What's crazy is how many people will watch this video, nod their head, and then do absolutely nothing with the information. Don't be that person unless you want to stay broke. I mean, it's your choice, really. Be the person who takes action today, right now, in fact, because your future self is either going to thank you for starting or regret that you didn't. The choice is yours, but you have to ask yourself, where do I want to be on January 1st, 2027? If you want to discover how I've made thousands of dollars a day online, I've made a free training that will show you everything step by step. The link will be in the description. And for a limited time, you can also apply to book a free call with me or a member of my team. On that call, we'll see what's blocking you from making more money, and we'll give you a custom step-by-step plan so you can start your business today, even with $0 in startup capital, and get your first customers as quickly as possible. The link is in the description, but be quick because we have very limited spots and they fill up fast.